Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you finished, you run. Watch has the data, but phone is right there. So why isn't it showing up in the app? So you are currently asking me on how to synchronize the Garmin Watch to Garmin Connect. So we made this small tutorial to show you exactly on how to do so. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first thing, we have the automatic way. Most Garmin watches sync automatically when you open the Garmin Connect app, just like this. Make sure you are connected both to Bluetooth and your watch is fully within the range. Your phone also must be connected to the internet. So basically that is the perfect dream. But when it fails, you shake the control. We have also the manual method. On your watch, hold the light button to open the controls menu. Then scroll all the way down to the two arrows forming a circle. That is the sync icon. Just tap it. On your phone, we open the Garmin Connect. Now it's time to log in using your email address and password. Then pull down from the top of the home screen and release like refresh an email. Just like this. Then wait for the basically watch to be fully done. Once sync direction, watch phone then cloud. Your watch sends the data to the app uploads to Garmin. So if the app is fully closed, Bluetooth is off, or you have no signal, nothing will move. You should always check those first. And that's it. Thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the next video.